Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Ria's Kitchen. Today I am sharing mutton Afghani pulao recipe. For regular updates, please subscribe my channel. You can also join me on my Facebook group Dishes and Recipes. For more delicious recipes, please visit my website www.riaskitchen.in. Don't forget to like and share my videos. In few simple and easy steps, you can make this delicious item at your home. Firstly, heat a pan and add 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil and fry the sliced carrots. Fry it until it becomes soft. Remove and set it aside. In this hot oil, fry the raisins slightly. And set it aside. I have marinated 500 gram mutton with 1 tablespoon of vinegar for 2 hours. Add the marinated mutton into the hot oil and fry. Fry in medium heat and cover with a lid for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, chopped green chilies and fry. Add chopped onion. Add fried cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Add salt to taste. Saute it properly. Now add 1 cup of water and cover it with a lid for 7 to 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Add 1 teaspoon of meat masala powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And add half teaspoon of jaifal powder. Now add half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. Add 1 cup of water and cover it with a lid for 7 to 10 minutes. Add little amount of sugar. Now keep aside the mutton pieces from the gravy. Now add 4 cups of water. I have soaked 3 cups of basmati rice for 2 hours in plain water. Now I am adding the soaked rice into the gravy and cover the pan. Cook it until the water soaked and rice have been fully cooked. Remove the lid and add the cooked mutton and mix it. Now add the fried carrots and the fried raisins and mix it properly. Spread 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it properly. Cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the oven. Keep in mind that full recipe is made in medium flame. The delicious mutton Afghani pulao is ready to serve. Serve it with salad and raita. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel Riya's Kitchen. It's RIIA. And don't forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. You can also share your recipes with me so that I can gladly share it with your name on my channel and website. I also have a Facebook group named Dishes and Recipes. Anyone can easily join there. In description box I am sharing my mail ID also. Thank you and keep watching.